Welcome back to the Keboola Getting Started tutorial series. In our previous sections, we successfully loaded data into Keboola and transformed it using SQL and wrote to an external destination. In this part, we'll show you how to automate your data workflows using flows. Automation will help streamline your processes, ensuring your data is always up to date without manual intervention. Let's have a look. First, we need to click on Flows and create a new flow. As always, it is good practice to keep a naming convention with descriptions always added to keep your data architecture organized. Once you are done, click Create Flow. Now, let's configure the flow by adding steps. First, select the Google Sheets data source configuration you created earlier to extract the data. Next, add a task to run the existing transformation that normalizes the data. If you need to run multiple steps in parallel, you can do so by dragging and dropping the boxes. However, for simplicity, we'll execute the steps sequentially, extracting data, transforming it, and writing it back to Google Sheets. After configuring all the steps, save the flow and set a schedule for execution. Choose how often you want the flow to run, such as daily at 8 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. This scheduling ensures the flow runs automatically, keeping your data in Google Sheets up to date without any manual effort. To stay informed of any issues, set up notifications. Configure alerts for failures, warnings, or unusually long processing times. This way, you'll be promptly notified of any problems and can address them immediately, ensuring your workflow runs smoothly. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to automate your data workflows using Keboola flows. This automation enables seamless data management and integration, ensuring your data remains current and accurately reflected in your external systems. Thank you for following along. Next time, we will focus on doing an ad hoc data analysis using a workspace or using development branches in your daily routine.